We got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a killer 1964 Chevrolet C10 custom Stepside LS swap, custom suspension, brake, steering, air, digital gauges, polished aluminum radiator, just 4-speed automatic, just super nice. Find about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Let's look at that underneath. This thing is sick. Super nice. Love this truck. Go to www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone. My name's Mark. We're more than happy to answer any questions. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Just a stand-up truck. Nice paint. Just a nice truck. All the chrome trim bright work. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. Got great financing. Go to the website, click the financing link, and it'll take you directly to the lenders we have. It's direct lending, so any information you provide will be given directly to them. If you'd like to come out and check this one out in person, we'd be more than happy to pick you up at the airport. That's Lambert International, St. Louis International, one and the same. Take it to any one of our 3 warehouses full of classics. We'll take it out for a ride. We'll put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Just super nice. Take this one for a spin. Killer gauges. 680 miles on the restoration. Tilt wheel. Very strong running truck. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. We do love this two-tone turquoise and white. Killer Dakota digital gauges. Power disc brakes, power steering, rack and pinion, ice cold air, vintage heat and air. Just a cool truck. Just a cool truck. 4-speed automatic. LS swap. We're in Fenton, Missouri, which is in the suburbs of St. Louis. 30 minutes from the International Airport. Again, it's St. Louis International or Lambert International. They're the same airport. Said we'll be more than happy to pick you up from, want to come out and fly out and take it out in person. If you want to send an inspector, we accommodate them, put it on a rack, we'll take it for drives. We can ship these vehicles anywhere in the world as a courtesy service. So, doesn't right around the corner. Anywhere in the world. We've sold to 85 countries. This thing can get up and go. Fun truck to drive. It's got some power. Even on this bumpy road. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. We said we can ship these cars anywhere in the world. We have great financing, usually 10% down is the number. That works. Great terms, great rates. These are affordable. A lot of times these are as easy or easier to get a loan on these classic cars than on late model cars. Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis, 314-346-6039. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.